Hi everyone, I'm Chuck Smith, Sales and Marketing Manager for RDL. We're here at InfoComm 2026 in beautiful Las Vegas. And we've got a bunch of new products we want to share with you. Over here on this panel, let me start you with this one here. On this panel, we have 5 new Rack-Up products that are equally ideal mounting on any flat surface, on a wall, even on a ceiling, and I'll explain in a minute. I'll start at the top. This is our new RU-BTLA, our Bluetooth line level audio and Format A interface. This is a fantastic product, extremely versatile. It can we can adjust line level. We can pair from here or from an optional remote control. On the back, the audio signal is converted to balanced in stereo or mono, unbalanced stereo mono, and Format A, which is 3 channels of Format A signals that can connect to multiple receivers, including power. And again, we have an optional remote control that connects here. You can actually mount this in a ceiling or high up on a wall for optimal Bluetooth reception, and put the remote pairing button at a very convenient location so it's easy to pair for anyone. There's another thing that's really exceptional about this product is it's a dual receiver. It actually runs classic Bluetooth as well as LE or BLE, which is low energy. And it doesn't matter what your device is transmitting, it'll automatically recognize and operate from there. BLE gives us a little bit more signal strength and distance. We can easily hit 100 feet, 150 feet, which is fantastic compared to classic audio. Of course, anything that gets in the way of a Bluetooth signal is going to interfere and degrade it. So this is why we thought we could add a custom mounting bracket on the bottom of each of these units so you can literally mount it up in the most perfect, ideal location for maximum signal strength. The next products I want to talk about are Dante interfaces. In the very beginning, we came up with 4, which are still extremely popular Rack-Up models that are all physically configured. In other words, they have switches and knobs on them. These are all software configurable. So on these units here, we have a 4x4, which is called the RU-RN44, 4 analog ins to Dante and 4 Dante out to analog. We have an RN22, which is exactly half that, 2 in, 2 out. We have an RN40, which is a mic line to Dante network interface, 4x0, and an RU-RN04, which is a network to mic line interface out. Now, what's fantastic about these products is they actually have some essential DSP on board. In this case, we have software selectable gain for the mic and line inputs. You can select P48 phantom power, various filters, and it depends by model, but low cut, high pass filters. Analog compression, that's a true analog circuit board on all the analog inputs. But I think the most impressive feature on all these products is their matrix switcher. Every input and every output is a 4x1 virtual mixer. So not only can you mix all the inputs coming in, including analog and Dante, but you can actually mix the outputs as well. So these become master distributors as well as mixing units. And that's what makes them extremely unusual and extremely flexible for any application.